Hey everyone, hope you're all okay. Welcome back to our YouTube channel and New Zealand series. For this episode, we're going to be showing you some of the best options to explore Milford Sound in New Zealand.
Milford Sound is a stunning fjordland on the South Island. Its inky waters and towering mist-clad mountains left such an impression on Rudyard Kipling that he famously dubbed it as the eighth wonder of the world.
It's renowned for its hundreds of tiny waterfalls which come to life after bouts of rain. It's one of the wettest places on earth.
It's also a haven for wildlife, including the fiordland crested penguin, which is one of the rarest in the world. We were lucky enough to see bottlenose dolphins and fur seals.
It was discovered by Maori people of 1,000 years ago. They visited the area to fish, hunt and collect greenstone.
There are a few ways to see this natural beauty. One of the ways to see this amazing natural setting is through the Milford Track. This is a 4-day hike through Fiordland National Park that has been described as the finest walk on earth.
It covers 54 kilometres of mountain passes, glacier-carved valleys and ancient rainforests. Some of the other walks you can try are Milford Sound Foreshore Walk, Milford Sound Lookout Track and Key Summit Track.
Another way is to do kayaking. This would be an unforgettable kayak experience catering to first-time paddlers and seasoned pros alike.
There are plenty of guided tours available, including the popular Sunrise Classic and Day Safari, which showcase the best of Milford Sound.
You can choose whether you look around the perimeter or explore hidden gems.
However, the third option to explore Milford Sound, and the one that we took, is a boat cruise. There are a range of different cruise options depending on your needs.
From day trips to overnight adventures to premium experiences, all showcase the breathtaking landscapes and abundant wildlife.
Two of the top companies to operate in the area are Real NZ and Southern Discoveries. They have a lot of time and options to go for.
You can check websites such as TripAdvisor to compare the different experiences on offer and choose what's right for you.
The one that worked for us was the Pure Milford self-drive and cruise. We did a lot of thinking when it came to how we were getting from Queenstown to Milford Sound, as this is a 3-hour 45-minute journey.
In the end, we decided that we wanted the flexibility of driving ourselves. We'd heard from a few people who took coach journeys that it wasn't the most enjoyable experience.
Whether that be motion sickness or others around you affecting your trip, we decided instead to hire a car and make our own way there.
This then meant we could stop along the way as we pleased, and that we got there before the buses, so we got our pick of the seats on the boat.
This option isn't for everyone, but it definitely worked for us. Pure Milford also offers a coach trip if that's what you would prefer.
The Pure Milford cruise explores the full length of the fjord all the way to the Tasman Sea. The crew point out the highlights and wildlife as you go.
This 1-hour 45-minute journey has different time options available throughout the day.
They get up close and personal to the cascading waterfalls, local flora and fauna, and educate on the wildlife, geology and history. You can even feel the spray of a few of the waterfalls.
Tea and coffee are complimentary throughout your cruise, whilst the onboard bar offers hot and cold refreshments.
As you go all the way out to the Tasman Sea, you're more likely to find sea life. We were super lucky to see bottlenose dolphins who followed the boat in from the open ocean into the fjord.
This was a truly magical experience and one that we highly recommend no matter how you choose to experience it.
Let us know which option you choose or if there's a better one we've not found.
We look forward to hearing all about your Milford Sound adventures.
That's all from us. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you very soon for the next one.